from our Canal view in the popular residential area of Bathpool. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this 2 double-bedroom end-of-terrace home. Constructed by Strong Box Homes, this property is conveniently located within walking distance to the local primary school, benefits from garage and driveway parking, and a low-maintenance private rear garden. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe a valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.